How long after a collision should you get in touch with a personal injury attorney? The sooner you can contact a personal injury attorney after a car crash or collision, the better. The earlier you get in touch with a personal injury attorney after you are hurt in a car accident, the better your chances are of recovering full compensation. This will allow the attorney optimal access to evidence while it is fresh, and more time to build the best possible case in your favor. While you technically have up to 3 years to make your claim, 2 if it is filed against the government, you should never assume you have enough time or wait to contact an attorney. If you have been hurt in a car accident or collision, call a personal injury attorney as soon as you can. Washington State Personal Injury Attorney Matthew Hale is an expert in obtaining full compensation for car accident victims. Book your personal injury claim consultation now at www.mrhale.law.